So that's where you're going to start hearing NOI. So what's the NOI? What's the NOI? So NOI is not what you're going to be making. It's not your profit, right? Because you have to minus your mortgage payments based on your loan from your NOI, right? As you can see, so we have like the mortgage plus the NOI here based off. So in the end, as is, if they buy this facility at $420,000 and they have the terms of the loan or whatever they have it as, they're going to net after their NOI and pay their mortgage, they're going to net like 10, 12 grand a year. All right. So the question is that like worth it? You know, or is there value add or not? If there's no value add, then of course this is not a good deal. Right? Because you don't want to just be doing it, you don't want to hold 170 units and do all this work and then only make like 10 grand out of it, right? Okay, so that's why you look at the current as is and what you're going to make, the value right now, plus your potential, right? Which is what you could make if you just, you know, if you just got it to 100% full, and then the opportunity of like, okay, and can I value add? This is all value add stuff. Can I add units? Can I add square footage? Can I increase the price? What can I do to increase the opportunity cost of this deal? Okay, any questions on that? If you have any questions, put in the chat, okay? So this is the valuation from this column right here, the numbers in this column. You have your valuation potential, right? So this is showing you the numbers, right? This is your equity from the valuation, your cap rate, etc. This is your, if we increased it from, or decreased it from 22% to 8%, a vacancy rate, we would have an NOI of 56,000. And then after you pay your mortgage, we'd be making, like based on the numbers that we put in, $25,000 a year. Okay. And then these numbers here are based off of your opportunity cost. And this is where you can be making the big bucks, right? This is where you make all the money, right? And this is what you want to see. So like if this is 180 units, you know, not increasing the square footage, but increasing the price, etc. This is what you're going to be making, right? So you're going to net, right? And this is just taking the numbers, right, from here. So it's going to be valued at 650,000 and your equity is going to be like $225,000. Your NOI is 65,000 and your net is going to, net is going to be like 30 plus grand a year. Okay. So that is how you look at the numbers. And if you have any income extra, you just put it in here. And let's see what else. And that's where we put the comps. And this is where we put all the units, like all your units of, and this is where we put the units, like, okay, it's going to be like, there's 10 by 10s and there's 20 by 10s. And there's, there's 10 5 by 10s or whatever. So you would like put those all in here with the value, and then how you can increase that value over time is what it's showing. If we can increase the rates per unit, this is kind of what it's showing as well too.